Hello everyone, welcome back with me Hanif in my YouTube channel on segment Speaking in English, and today I want to share you about what I learned today. Today I had a class, EE class or extra EF class that discuss about wildfire, but for the specific thing is that we just discuss about the grammar, about the form of sentences. Previously we discussed about the entire meaning, maybe the about the vocabulary, about the what the article discussed. But today with Mr. Harry we just discuss about the grammar, about the form. It's like comparison between the formal sentence, academic sentence, and maybe in the conversation sentence, something like that. And yes, one of the lesson is about partial verbs, that it is about the verb with additional preposition, just like for the instances come to, come in, come across, or maybe in that article, let's say end up, another is end up, and anything else, and kind of those things, or those kind of things, and kind of those lists. I don't know. Yes. After that, I also learned about upon, word upon, that means on. That we use word upon when we want to write something, so the sentence will sound academic, more academic. But actually the article that we had discussed, it is just a news and not academic writing, yet. And for another thing, that I had a new friends today named Duffy. He's former, and he wants to extend his contract and continue his membership in the EF, because his membership was ended maybe this month or last month, I don't know. His face kind of Arabic, but his dialect, it just sounds Surabaya, so natural Surabaya. And I had another new friend named, I don't know how to say his name, I just forgot, because his name is very unique. It is the first time I heard that kind of name. If I'm right, his name is Kalusha. Yes, I think that's his name. And he is a Navy. Oh my God, he's a Navy. He's a soldier, and just it is looked from his face, his skin. because he looked, and his body, of course, because he looked so his soldier, his soldier is just like too like too strong, and his face just like a soldier. I don't know how soldier you look like, but he uh, he has that charisma that, so he looked like soldier. And for another is I had another friend, but I don't really remember their name because we don't have any class after that. Maybe her name is Aya, and for the other I cannot remember it. I just asked the name, and kind of I'm bad at memorizing names, so yeah. I'll try later when our next meeting. I'll ask her for the second time. And today I just finished unit 1 from my iLab. Unit 1 from my iLab that discuss about the environment, about the future, about the technology, and about business, like just discuss about the innovation and target and kind of those things. And I don't really have any to discuss with you, to talk about with you. Maybe I just want to share that I washed my clothes today, and it takes so long time because I have a concern about how to wash my clothes, because before I put it in the washing machine, I wash it first in the bucket, but I don't really wash it in one round. Maybe we say one round, because I divide it into parts. And for the first, I wash for those kind of t-shirts first. So after that, in another bucket, I wash my underwear. So after that, I wash my pants. After that, I wash my trousers, and that's how I uh, wash my clothes. It's kind of complicated, but it is just my concern. Yeah. I'm so disturbed. I am annoyed with this kind of concern, like an OCD. Yeah, and I think that's because I think washing clothes in the washing machine, it's not that good. The result is not that good, not that clean. So I clean it first. I brush it, and after that I put it in the washing machine just to re-wash it, and to make the water compressed. And that's the point I use the washing machine, because compressing wet clothes are so compressing clothes is so mendoxai, what do you say, kind of not a hard thing, not a difficult thing, but it is just you guys too lazy to do it because it is not your passion anyway. It is just wasting power, wasting energy, or something like that. Because it is just wasting, not wasting time, wasting power. So after that, oh yeah, I had my underwears. I ordered underwears about 5 days ago, maybe 3 days or more, and the underwear just arrived today, and I use it tomorrow. And so my pants, my short pants, because less pants. I need more pants to make me more comfortable, because not comfortable, it's just I have very minimum numbers of pants. So if I when the time to wash my clothes is coming, my pants I just wear all of my pants, and there are no pants left, so I need to buy more pants. So when the time to wash the clothes is coming, so I still have another pants. That it oh, it's kind of difficult. Okay, I hope I can finish my iLab, my tasks in EF website, so I can take PV after that, and I will level up my stage from intermediate to upper intermediate. And thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.